once listed as the most dangerous hacker in America. Sure don't look like much.
You gotta die. Just fucking with this damn.
he knew that he'd been beat. He laid that golden fiddle on the ground at Johnny's feet. Then Johnny said, devil, just come on back. You ever want to try again? 'Cause I told you once, you son of a gun, I'm the best there's ever been. He played fireman, drum, boys run. Devil in the house, the rising sun. Chicken and bread pie, cooking out dough. French and snake by no tell no.
Dexter's in school.
I'm afraid he's not, Mrs. Birchmore. Dexter's truancy problem is way out of hand. The Baltimore County School Board have decided to expel Dexter from the entire public school system.
Oh, Mr. Kirk, I would have fed you to learn Dexter's truancy, but surely expulsion is not the answer.
I'm afraid expulsion is the only answer. It's the opinion of the entire staff that Dexter is criminally insane.
That boy needs therapy.
Psychosomatic.
That boy needs therapy.
Purely psychosomatic.
That boy needs therapy.
Lying down on the couch.
What does that mean?
You're a nut. You're crazy in the coconut.
What does that mean?
That boy needs therapy.
I'm gonna kill you.
That boy needs therapy.
Granny Gazoo, let's have it, Chief. Now when I count 3.
That boy needs therapy.
He was white as a sheet.
And he also made false teeth.